If you're experiencing a login failure in Apex Legends with error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends Twitter page or the EA server status website to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by checking other online services or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Power off your console and plug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. For PC players, you can clear the cache by deleting the temporary files related to the game. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure and get back to playing Apex Legends. Good luck!